Can you guide me through the steps to open settings in Windows 7?
Welcome to our quick tutorial. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to open settings in Windows 7. This guide will be straightforward and easy to follow, allowing you to access and navigate the settings with ease.
What are settings in Windows 7?
The settings in Windows 7, also known as the control panel, is where you can change most of your computer's settings. Here you can customize your system, adjust your hardware and software, manage your accounts, and much more.
How to access settings?
Now, let's get into the step-by-step process of accessing your settings. Step 1. Click on the Start button. This is the circular button located in the bottom left corner of your screen, and it has the Windows logo on it. Step 2. In the Start menu that opens up, you'll find the Control Panel option. Click on it. Step 3. And voila, you're now in your computer's settings, Control Panel. Here you can navigate to the different options and adjust your settings as needed.
How to navigate settings?
Once you have the control panel open, there are a few ways you can navigate it. Category view. This is the default view where options are grouped into categories. It makes it easier to find the type of setting you want to change. Large icons or small icons view. This changes the view to show all of the individual settings as icons. You can switch between these views by selecting the drop-down menu in the top right corner of the control panel. And there you have it. A simple, step-by-step guide to opening and navigating the settings in Windows 7. We hope this guide has been helpful and has made your journey into the Windows 7 settings straightforward. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask. Happy computing!